In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to collapse headings in Google Docs. If you're working in a long document, collapsing headings can make everything much easier to manage. It helps you hide sections you are not using at the moment, so you can focus on the part of the document you're actively editing. This is especially useful for outlines, reports, notes, or any document with multiple sections. To begin, make sure your section titles are formatted using one of Google Docs' heading styles, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or another heading level. This is important because the collapse feature only works with text that has been assigned a heading style. If your section title is just regular body text that looks larger or bolded manually, Google Docs won't recognize it as a collapsible heading. So before anything else, confirm that your headings are properly styled from the toolbar. Once your headings are set up correctly, move your cursor over the heading you want to collapse. You don't need to click into the text right away. Just hover over the heading area and Google Docs should reveal a small arrow to the left of that heading. This arrow is the control that lets you expand or collapse the section. When you see that arrow, click it. As soon as you do, Google Docs will collapse that section for you. The content underneath that heading will be hidden from view, which makes the document look cleaner and more compact. This can be really helpful when you want to reduce visual clutter or quickly jump between major sections without scrolling through everything in full. At that point, the text under the heading is still there. It's just hidden temporarily. Nothing is deleted, and you can bring the section back whenever you need it. So if you're organizing a large document, this feature gives you a simple way to control what you see on screen while keeping all of your content intact. One helpful tip is to use heading levels consistently. For example, main sections can use Heading 1, while subsections can use Heading 2 or Heading 3. That makes your document easier to navigate and helps the collapse feature feel more organized. And that's all it takes to collapse headings in Google Docs. Once your headings are formatted properly, you can hover over them, click the arrow, and instantly hide the content below. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're working in longer documents.